Hello guys, my name is Amreen. Today's topic is conflict in project management. Conflicts in project teams are more common than we think. Often it's not a budget constraints or technical roadblocks that delay a project. It's people problems, misunderstanding, clashes of interest and poor communication can derail even the most of the well-planned project. In this video, we will explore real-life scenarios where conflict arose in project teams and we can uncover the root causes and walk through effective ways to resolve them. Whether you are a project manager or a team member, these insights will help you manage team dynamics more effectively. Let's start. Conflict is a natural part of teamwork, especially when people with different roles, backgrounds and expectations work together under pressure. Common sources of conflict include miscommunication, unclear roles and responsibilities, personality clashes, competing priorities, and even cultural differences. With the rise of remote work, and the chances of misunderstanding and misalignment have only increased. Recognizing these triggers is the first step in managing and resolving a conflict. Scenario 1. Developer versus QA team conflict. Most common scenario. Imagine a scenario where your developer complains QA is blaming us. They don't understand the pressure. We are under to deliver. Meanwhile, the QA team retorts, we are tired of testing incomplete features. This kind of friction is common in fast-paced agile environment. The root cause here is often unclear expectations and a lack of collaboration. The solution: host a joint meeting where developers and the QA openly share their constraints, agree on a shared definition of done, involving both teams in sprint planning ensures mutual commitment and reduce misunderstandings. Scenario 2. Resistance to agile adoption. Yes, resistance to agile adoption. In many organizations, experienced employees may resist. For example, a senior engineer might say, why switch to agile? Waterfall has worked always for us. This resistance often stems from the fear of unknown or fear of lose of control or becoming irrelevant or anything. As a project manager, it's important to acknowledge these concerns rather than dismiss them. Have one-on-one conversation to understand the fears involving them in agile transition process and provide training to help them adapt. Resistance often softens when people feel heard and empowered. Scenario 3. Cross-cultural communication clash. Yes, cross-cultural teams are becoming a norm in global organizations. We all know that. However, cultural differences in communication styles can cause unintended tensions. For examples, US team member might say they never speak up in meetings while a team member from Asia may feel it's rude to interrupt. This misalignment can create feelings of frustration or disrespect on both sides. Setting clear communication guidelines, encouraging asynchronous feedback and incorporating cultural sensitivity training can go in a long way in bridging these gaps. Scenario 4. The blame game in failing projects. Yes, in failing projects it's common to see a blame game. Marketing blames IT and IT blames leadership, then leadership blames bad estimates. This kind of conflict stems from a lack of ownership and accountability. The best approach here is to hold a blameless retrospective where the core focus is on process improvement, not on pointing fingers. Introducing tools like RACI metrics helps clarify these roles and responsibilities so everyone knows what to do. Re-establishing clear scope deliverables and expectation helps the team reset and move forward with clarity. The last one is conflict resolution techniques every PM should know. There is not a one size fits all way to manage these conflicts, but project managers can use several techniques depending on the situation. Collaboration is the ideal approach. When both parties are open to working together on a win-win situation, compromising allows for a quick resolution by having both sides give up something. Accommodating is useful for maintaining harmony when the conflict is not critical. Avoiding and can sometimes be appropriate when the issue is not major, something minor or running high. Competing is necessary when fast decisions are crucial and consensus is not approachable, depending on urgency, importance, and the team dynamics. So here are the few key takeaways to become better at managing conflict. Stay neutral. Don't take sides. Listen actively and patiently. Before forming any conclusion, you document serious conflicts and their resolution for transparency. Most importantly, build a team culture where healthy disagreements or arguments are welcomed and not feared. Encourage